It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I'm in the mood for some organization. I woke up this morning and was like, I have got to start cleaning. I took my tree down. I changed up my background. I am really starting to get into the post-Christmas mood. We got to talk. Oh my gosh, you guys, so much going on. So in this video, I'm going to do a little update about semi-annual sale. We got new bracelets coming in my Etsy store, a whole bunch of new ones that are made. I just have to put on spring, Valentine's Day. I'm so excited. My mother's making bracelets right now as we speak. I want to talk about a little quality issue I noticed with the diamond shimmer mist. We're going to talk about this a little bit, and then I'm going to kind of roll into early storage, use it up, toss it, cleaning of Bath & Body Works, because I'm really in a mood to get cleaning here. So, day 3, Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. What do we got? We got nothing new. This is a really strange sale. And it's funny because I'm hesitant to say it's like the worst sale because I've been reading through all my comments. I actually got mostly caught up on yesterday's comments yesterday. There are a lot of people who are going into their stores and getting like 10, 20, 75% off candles. Oh, if you are able to get a 75% off candle, this semi-annual sale is a win for you. That's like the jackpot, the 75% off sale, especially in the candles, because candles usually don't go down that low. Body care is kind of another story, which we're going to talk about in a few minutes, but I feel like this is like a different sale for everybody. Today is the last day to get the $11.95 candles online. We don't know what's happening tomorrow. Are they going to go up to like $12.50? Are they going to go up to $16.50? Are they going to go lower? I kind of doubt they're going lower, but you never know. I think it's going to be in like the $12.50, $13.95 range. I could be wrong. We shall see tomorrow what happens. But I really feel like on day 3, a lot of people are just throwing their hands up going, I'm done with semi-annual sale. And I don't blame them, because unless you've got a large store that's doing a lot of 75% off clearance, or you're near a test store, there's really not a lot to be had with this sale that you didn't get like the first day, which was the $3.95 Christmas products that were online. That was actually a good deal. So, semi-annual sale, I looked on the email, it officially goes until January 19th. We're going to see a whole bunch of new stuff start rolling in. I already found the wallflowers, the gingham love online. I had to search for them, but I did find them. So everyone is going to start getting really excited about spring, including me. I am a seasonal girl, you guys, in case you hadn't noticed. I am. I just like, I live in Northeast Ohio. We definitely have a major change of seasons. We go from winter to spring to summer to fall. We get the leaves. I love each season, and I like to have body care that matches my season, which I know a lot of you are like that too, but it makes it difficult because then you get a storage problem. So I want to talk about that. Today, like I said, if you're new to my channel, I do have an Etsy store. My mother, my daughter, and I make bracelets. So I put the link below to the Etsy store. New stuff is starting to roll in. There's not much there now. I got to get it all listed. And then one thing I wanted to talk about really quickly, quality issue on the Diamond Shimmer Mist. As I was starting to clean up Christmas, I picked up the Love Diamond Shimmer Mist. Where is the shimmer, you guys? It's at the bottom. This is a new formula, and I'm not liking this at all. So if you look at any of the old Diamond Shimmer Mists, the shimmer is suspended in kind of like a gel formula, and you don't have to shake it at all. The shimmer is just there. This is Vanilla Bean Noel from last year. You can definitely see the shimmer. These have been sitting on my shelf for like a year. The shimmer stuff is not settling to the bottom. look at the champagne, cotton candy champagne. It's all at the bottom. And I actually tried shaking it and it's stuck at the bottom. It won't even like come out. I think I'm gonna have to sit here for like an hour and shake this. Look at this, it's still not coming out all the way. So, no, see, it's still there. I am not liking this display. A really annoying noise, you guys. I am not liking this formula. And even now that it's mixed together, I didn't even notice this before, but the shimmer is a lot lighter. So I'm not super happy with these because these are $16.50. So there's a formula change in the Diamond Shimmer Mist, but I wanted to point that out. I've got to get a tablecloth on my table, by the way. I know there's like a weird tapping noise, so I'm going to try not to set anything down on the table in front of me. I got everything in a bin here. So, like I said, this morning, I looked at all my Christmas stuff. Like I said, I got the tree down. I actually have a tree in the dining room that's got all white lights on it. It kind of lights up the dining room. I did keep the dining room tree up because it almost doesn't look super Christmassy. It just looks like a pretty like fir tree with white lights on it. I got my Christmas stuff down in my living room. I did a blue background because I don't want to transition right into Valentine's Day. I'm not ready for Valentine's Day quite yet. But I started to look at my stash for Bath & Body Works and I went, yeah. Now, being a reviewer, I do have more stuff than maybe the average person, although I know a lot of you have gotten excited like me and you buy like the Bonfire Bash wrapped in sunshine, all of the amazing scents that have been coming through for fall and Christmas. We all want the new stuff. The problem is you end up with a lot of stuff. So this is why semi-annual sale stock up is a little bit of a, do you do it or not? I mean, that's why I said like, be really, really like cautious about overstocking up because then you're going to have too much product. We're going to roll into spring and summer and then you're going to have more product. So I think the game has changed at Bath & Body Works because they're bringing out more scents. People aren't stocking up as much. So in this bin, what I did was I put my holiday shower gels in here. And how I do this is I have a bin system. So what I did is just to clean up everything, I'm basically putting everything into these large bins. And then what I do is we're fortunate enough, we have really large bedrooms in this house. So what I do is I just stack my bins. You can get these at Home Goods, you can get them at Michael's. And then if you've got your product in here, you can just stack these on top of each other. I usually do like 3 high, and then it's all there. Then what you do is you go to like tier 2 of a bin. So say you want to use some of this product. If you have 4 bins, then you can do one for each season. You can do, you know, Christmas, spring, summer, and fall. And then once your bin is full, that might be an indication to go, maybe I don't need to add more to my bin. I also have a collection of the fine fragrance mists. Because I'm a reviewer, I do collect one of each. And I have a giant bookcase like this in our bedroom. And I sort them by season. It's getting a little full though. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think what I'm going to have to do is take older product, store it in bins, and then I will probably store my older product like in my basement just for like, you know, if I need to grab one from a couple years ago. But I've chosen to collect the fine fragrance mist. If you want to collect, pick like one product, and the fine fragrance mist is a good one because they really don't go bad. And you get to see the packaging, and they're easy to store because they all have the, you know, the same size. They just line up really nicely next to each other. So in this bin, I've got a lot of shower gel. So what I do then is in my bathroom, I have a secondary bin for shower gel, and then I have a rack in the shower. So I have like this tier system. So if I've got some space in my bin in the bathroom, I go in here, I take a couple out, I restock, and then what I do is, as I use shower gel in my shower, I always have 6 shower gels lined up, ready to go. I always trade off every day. When one is empty, I swap it out, I put another one in. It's a good system because then you're constantly working through stock. And then stuff like, oh my gosh, you guys, like the Shimmer Fizz, I usually use these, you know, for about 6 months during the year. And then when I get a new one, I toss the old one. So I don't have last year's, I toss them. Because at some point, you have to treat Bath & Body Works as a consumable. Candles are consumables. Most people, you can save them too. Believe me, I save a lot of candles. But I put a cap on how many I save. If you burn through a candle, you toss the jar. If you use, say, I don't know, 3/4 of this, it's Christmas again, I would toss it. Don't keep saving stuff because then otherwise you're just going to have a whole ton of stuff and then it's going to depress you because you've just got too much clutter in your house. Case in point, coconut pineapple. We got this last year. I'm 99% sure I got this at a really good sale. I've used it throughout this year. It's almost gone. You know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to toss it. Because I don't use the body butter in my furniture because it's too thick. Cream is a whole different story. If you have old body cream, get a bin, put some in your bin, all the scents that you like, grab a washcloth, put a little on your washcloth, go around and polish your furniture. I've been doing this for 15 years. I'll do a video about this. It works. Great way to use up old body cream. I don't like to keep body cream. It tends to separate. As long as it's got a good smell on it though, use it on your furniture. Scrubs. This is last year's Winter Candy Apple. This is actually usable. The scrubs are pretty usable year to year. However, if you're getting too many scrubs and you want to thin them out a little bit, I use these in my bathroom sink. These are a good abrasive. Now, granted, they don't have like bleach or anything. I also clean with like disinfectant, but these are good polishers and then they make your sink smell really good. So I'll usually like clean with a disinfectant. And then what I do is I put a little of the scrub in my sink and makes it shine. I love it. And my sink smells like Winter Candy Apple. I've used this in my bathtub too. So I use Bath & Body Works products to clean. My whole house smells amazing. I am having a little bit of an issue right now in terms of overstocking with antibacterial pumps. So when the new antibacterial pumps came out in the winter scents, I went, oh my gosh, I have to have these because they're so cute. And then I bought too many during one of the sales, and now I like have like way too many of them. So what I'm going to do is, I have some that I haven't even opened. I'm going to gift a couple of these. I've done an inventory. I'll gift a couple to friends, relatives. I'm going to do a bin, put this in my car. These are definitely like use it up because I'm going to want, I don't want Winter Candy Apple in March. I'm going to want like Tiki Beach or whatever else they come up with. I'm going to want the tropical scents in the spring and summer. So I am going through and doing that. I've got some other leftover things like the bath fizzies that I never demoed out. I don't typically use these bath fizzies. I prefer the Lush bath bombs. Those are like my be-all end-all. You all know that. But I like to get a couple of these each year just to demo out because there are people who like this formula. These will last forever. So what I will do with these is I have one bin in my room that I just store, you know, bath bombs. I don't even have that many because I usually try to demo these out year to year. Cute stuff like these. I'm going to try and use these up. These are like those little bubble baths. I'll probably keep one just as like a fun collectible just to have. The only things that I really tend to like collect, I do like the pocket back holders. I have a bin with a lid on it that I put all my pocket back holders in. Sits on one of my dressers. It looks really pretty. It's a Ray Dunn one, and it's white. It's got writing on it. It's super cute. And then really kind of interesting, unique stuff. These were the Land of Sweets roll-ons. I got a set to keep. This is the Charmin Cherry. Screamin' Cherry. Charmin Cherry. These were really neat. And I don't say that these are going bad at all, but it's kind of like a neat Bath and Body Works collectible. So from year to year, I will put stuff like in a collectible type of bin. One thing that's going in the bin that I really like to share you guys were the raspberry sugar and the iced cinnamon roll in the minis. These are so cute. So like I said, I do have like a little bit of a collectible bin that I keep products in. There's nothing wrong with doing that. As long as you have the space and it doesn't bother you to have this stuff setting around, go for it. I mean, there's no rules here. I just try to give people some ideas so that you don't sit down and look around and go, oh my gosh, I have too much Bath and Body Works. Which brings us back full circle to semi-annual sale. I always say, just because it's 75% off doesn't mean you have to buy it. I've kind of been avoiding the store because I'm like, even if it's 75% off, the only thing that I would be interested in right now at 75% off is probably the vanilla mocha cream or the whipped rose latte. I might get just a couple extras of those because I really like that scent. That's like the be-all, end-all scent, but I don't want to stock up anymore on Christmas. I have plenty of Christmas. I do have an order coming from online. I got a couple shower gels. I've got, I think I got a few of the car fragrances. So I was really, really careful about what I was buying for semi-annual sale. Because like I said, I don't need any more Christmas right now. Christmas is coming back in like 10 months, which is crazy. So what's next for me is, as a reviewer, going into 2022 for Bath & Body Works, I'm still going to be buying at least one product from all of the body care, because I want to review this for you. What I'm going to stop doing, I think, is I would get the whole collection, but because prices are going up so much, I'm like, there's no way I can get like the whole collection. So if it's something that I really want, I might get like the body cream or the shower gel. For the most part, I don't even know if I'm going to get the lotions so much anymore. Candles, I'm going to really try and limit myself to the candles that you guys want me to review. So if you have a suggestion for me, put it in the comments as always, or candles that I really want, because the prices are going up on candles and I want to make sure that I'm reviewing, you know, Kringle, Goose Creek. I want to do Witch City Wicks in the spring, Homeworks, Scentworks, Kohl's. I want to do a whole variety. Village Candle. I want to bring some more candle reviews into the channel. But, you know, obviously Bath & Body Works is my first love. I will always be true to Bath & Body Works. I know their prices are going up, but I still love them as a company. I'm willing to stick it out. I want to see. I'm excited about spring. I was not excited about spring like 2 weeks ago, and now all of a sudden I'm like, bring on the tropical. I know. Crazy how like once after Christmas you start to get excited. So anyway, I hope this was a little bit helpful. I'm going to have some more videos like this going into 2022 to help all of us just like kind of wrangle in our stash. And then, I don't know, you guys, we shall see what happens tomorrow. I will be on, hopefully early, with a report on day 4 of semi-annual sale. And then I think I'm going to try and go into the store on Friday. I want to get there like right at 10 a.m. when they open to see if I can't sneak in there and just see what's there. I may not buy anything. I may just take pictures. I may just, you know, let you guys know. I may look for some new stuff. We shall see. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.